In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a ball slam. This is a great functional and full body exercise that really emphasizes more on the core, okay? Now, the only thing you need for equipment is this right here, a slam ball, okay? You do not want to use a medicine ball because they're not meant for slamming onto the ground. As you can see, if you do use a slam ball, over time they're going to crack, okay? So don't use the medicine balls. Use these type of balls, all right? They're nice and soft. They're meant for slamming onto the ground, okay? Now, when it comes to the exercise, it's pretty simple to do. Only thing you want to do is just go ahead, grab the ball. You want to have a slight bend in the knees, keep the feet straight, push the butt out, keep the chest up so you have a nice athletic stance. Now, when it comes to slamming the ball, you want to bring the ball all the way up until you can't bring the ball back anymore. You want to feel that stretch into the lats, and then when you slam the ball, you really want to come down like that. As you can see, when I slammed the ball down, I used my full body. It wasn't all lot coming from the arms. I was also hinging at the hips at the same time, doing a quick hinge, generating that power, okay? So just like this, I want to show you from the side, all right? So as you see, I'm using my full body. It's not just the arm that I'm using that full body until I feel that stretch, and then coming down, doing slight bend at the slight hinge at the hips, and slamming the ball down, okay? This is how you do a ball slam.